like a curse. You know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted, I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're too scared, get out.
Hello everybody, my name is Nicole Addams, and today I am teaming up with HalloweenCostumes.com to show you this Tiffany Valentine, also known as the Bride of Chucky, makeup look. So I am doing the human version of Tiffany, so in the beginning of the movie, before her, soul, or before she goes into the little doll. I'm doing her beforehand. So when she's like summoning Chucky, she kills her boyfriend Damien and, all that fun stuff. So I'm doing her like cute pink eye look and the pink lipstick. Very simple. I'm, kind of making it a little bit more modern, or like more my style than what she obviously has in the movie. It's a lot more simple, but I had to do my signature winged liner. I am doing quite a big winged liner, but I tried not to go for like my typical very giant. Okay, some of you are going to be like, you're crazy, that's giant, Sydney, what are you talking about? I am so excited to do this look because I have done the doll version of Tiffany many times, multiple times. The makeup look, a cosplay, I've done it so many times throughout the years, and I was really excited to do the human version because I've never actually done the human version. Make sure you go over to my Instagram and my TikTok as well, because I took pictures of the scene where Tiffany's doing like the little seance in her trailer. Yeah, I took pictures and they are so cute, so please make sure you guys go check that out. I'm trying to make my skin as flawless as I possibly can because, come on, Tiffany's flawless, right? She's perfect. So I'm really trying to make my skin look perfect, but it was very dry this day. So I did a lot of foundation, I did a lot of layers of concealer. I did the spray. It's so nice because it just makes your skin look glowy. I let it dry. Look at that fan. It's so cute. And then I go back in and I add a little bit more powder. What I'm doing for my skin in this video is great for photos. And that was my plan. I was like, I'm going to take photos after this. So, your makeup needs to be really, really dramatic. This is great for photos. If you go, like I said, if you go see my photos over on my other socials, you'll see what I'm talking about. I really went in and highlighted my skin as well. I wanted my skin to look like glass. And then you can see on the left-hand side of me, like your left-hand side looking at the screen, and the back, that is the wig I'm going to be wearing. And I styled that wig a few days ago. And it was my first wig that I've actually styled like that. And I'm still learning how to, style wigs and apply them. So, but we're getting somewhere. Doing some pointy liner, making it real nice and dramatic, but not too crazy. Add some little lashes. Tiff has these bottom lashes on in the Bride of Chucky movie. If you look up at some of her close-up shots of her makeup, you can see they're little fake lashes on the bottom. But I just put a lot of mascara on my lower lashes so that it turned out that way. I popped on my wig and my costume from Halloween Costumes. So cute. You guys have to go check out their website. They have so many costumes. Any character you can think of is on there. So make sure you go check them out. Accessories, everything. I'm applying Tiff's signature pink lip, doing her little mole, her little beauty mark. And that is that, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much, Halloween Costumes, for partnering with me on this Tiffany look. We are pretty much halfway to Halloween, so mark your calendars because we're getting close, and what better way to celebrate than with a spooky little look in the middle of summer. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.